Hey guys, so doing some garden chores today. This is my old garden hose and I don't want to buy another hose. This is my third one I've purchased, and for some reason the threads, they're not holding on to the sprayer, and like all of them just keep popping right off. So I'm going to cut this off and replace it, but I'm also going to show you how I add on an old piece of hose to this one. Okay, so we're gonna cut this off first. All right, let me get my phone. This is the old hose, and I'm just gonna cut that off. The beeping are these censored things that I bought for voles, but they don't work. Anyway, so I cut that off. That's the old one, and what you're gonna get is this right here. Hold on a sec, let me get it together. This right here, it's $1. You can get this from Dollar General, and this is the part that goes in there, and then this clamp is what you screw down to hold it in place. So that would fix it. If you have the issue I have, that would fix it. But because I'm gonna extend it, I'll show you how I fix this first. So you put this first, the clamp first. Just put that in first, or put that on first, right? Slide it on over there like that. Okay, and then you're gonna put in your male end in and just kind of twist it in there and get it as close as you can to the top right here, right? And then you'll slide this up over it. If it can go up, just open it up just a bit more. Turn it and just slide it up onto it like that, right? And then you'll just tighten it, right? I'm not gonna tighten it, but you'll just tighten it. This is plastic. This is like the cheapest way to do this. I'm pretty sure someone's gonna be like, just use brass, but this is an old hose. I'm not trying to spend, you know, a bunch on brass right now, but this is my new sprayer because my old sprayer broke for some reason, even though I brought it inside. So the new sprayer would go on like so. Okay, so that would fix the problem I was having with the thread on this. But because I'm going to add an extension, basically. I'm gonna take that off, right? So this will be the mender. So this will mend two pieces. So it, like, say for instance you went over your hose with your lawnmower and you have a hole or whatever, you need to cut off the damaged part. This will connect the two parts to fix it. So I'm gonna take out the male part. I don't need both of these clamps because I already have one on there. So you see how this is? So this, you'll be able to push that in, get it on there. I think I'm gonna get my drill to actually get it on there. Get this up on there like that. Okay, I'm gonna try to get it in just a little bit more, but get that on there like that, right? I'll get the other piece I want to connect it to, which is this piece. You see there are two different shades of green. So this is an older hose I have. So I'm gonna put a clamp on this one. Open that up just a bit. And get that in there. Okay, and then connect this to this one. There are bugs out here. There are mosquitoes out here. Go. Not ready to get bitten yet. Oh gosh. So you're gonna connect that one. Just push it in just like the other one. Hold on. This light green hose is a better quality than this one. This one's like super soft. It was super cheap. This one's a little harder, so you gotta really work for it. You're just gonna push them together till you get them nice and close like this. This is mends it, you know. And then you're gonna bring up the clamps. This one all the way there, but you're gonna bring the clamps up, screw them in place, right? Tighten it, tighten these, and that will mend it. Okay, so you can use a screwdriver if you don't have a drill. I have a drill, so I'm gonna do that instead. Not too tight because you don't want I'm gonna loosen this one just a bit. Let me see, just a tiny bit. You don't want the plastic to crack on you. So that one's good. So you see that white gap there? You're just gonna that's good. That's good. Let's see. That's not going anywhere. All right, so I'm gonna put the water on and test it. I'm gonna just leave this right here so you guys could see. I'm gonna move my drill just in case. All right, let's see if it worked. Okay, well, it worked. The water is coming out of the section I just added. Hold on. I think I have a, there it goes. There it goes, and it's not leaking, it's holding, so I did not have to spend money on the new hose, which is awesome. Okay. All right, so now since this hose is older, let's see if, excuse the electrical wire, I promise you, this is unplugged, that's not on. Let's see if this goes on here. So, hey, okay, perfect. So I don't have to fix this on this hose. This one has a really nice one. So I'm gonna put it on, see if I have any leaks. Even though that one's older, you know, it's always good to double check. Okay, so the water's on. Let's see. Oh, that's perfect. That's it. So, perfect. All right. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, like, comment, all that good stuff. And I'll see you very soon in another video. Bye, guys.